Ciao and benvenuto on this tutorial on how to install a live chat on Bubble. Bubble is an amazing tool to build custom application in no time with no code. And if you're searching a way to support your customers with a live chat dedicated to Bubble, this is the right tutorial for you. Are you ready to install in no time with no code the customerly live chat to your Bubble application? Let's get started. To install the live chat on your Bubble, just go on your Bubble dashboard and then check out plugins. Click on add plugins. Search for a plugin. In this case, we're going to search customerly. And as you can see, live chat from customerly. We're going to install it and we are ready to go. You did it. Basically, you installed the customerly live chat, but you will need the project ID. So where you can get this project ID? You can go to your customerly account. If you don't have one, you can go to customerly.io and you can get yours. You can start for free. There is no credit card required. There is a 14 days free trial. We have a basic plan that is free. It's including the live chat and the app center. It's free forever and has a lot of capabilities to engage with your customers. But if you want to have more like AI capabilities, you can send also email marketing. You can onboard your customers with marketing automation. The essential plan to only $7 per month is just amazing. And of course, it's going to have much, much more. You can use multiple chat triggers. You can have canned responses. You can do much, much more with the essential plan. But if you are here only for the live chat, it's fine. You can go and get your basic plan free forever. When you get your customerly project, what you need is your project ID. Where you can find the project ID to install the live chat, you need to copy and paste this one. Unicorn, in this case, is your project ID. You can find it also over here under your project name. You can find it over here under your project names. And of course, if you have multiple apps on Bubble, you can have multiple projects also in customerly. So I can switch between the two and have two separate buckets to manage your conversation, to manage your customers. In this case, we're going to focus only on Unicorno. So Unicorno is my project ID. I need to copy this. I need to go back on my Bubble dashboard and I can copy this into my headers. Now, let's preview this. Boom. The chat is over here, but you cannot see it because there is the debugger of Bubble. It's fine. It's normal. Maybe we can remove this over here. Right. So cool. There's also build on Bubble on the right, so you can actually customize your live chats. If you go to settings and messenger, general settings, over here, you've got plenty of things to configure, such as your intro to the team, your privacy URL, the default language. You can customize a lot of things. We will go under appearance. You can change your color to match your brand. You can put it on the left. You can change your icon and we can save it. Let's go back over here. Let's refresh. Here we go. This is our live chat. It's working quite fine. I don't know if you noticed, but whenever you load the page, oh, this is a survey. This is another service that we do have. Um, but of course, there are different welcome messages, triggers that you can create quite easily for your live chats to engage with your visitors. So if you go back to customerly outbound, you can start creating chats. When you create a chat, for example, this one is very useful. These are some templates that we created for you. When you click over here, you can start building your own chats. For example, on the page URL pricing, whenever someone is exiting the page, you can trigger their attention with a message like this. Of course, the message can be localized, so you can add any language over here. And whenever you're ready to publish, you can also assign this. For example, this is a message that should it's supposed to go to the sales team. So you can actually assign the replies coming from this trigger to the sales team. So let's publish this. Bam. Okay. So let's trigger your first welcome message to the user whenever they reach the dashboard, okay? So we know that dashboard is in the URL. So what we need to do is welcoming users, okay? And we're gonna, for the sake of this tutorial, we're gonna use everyone. We add a condition on the page URL that contains dashboard. Cool. And on the page load after 5 seconds. Immediately. That's even better. That's the message. You can customize the message. You can also add a video tutorial over here. And you can assign, for example, to customers. Okay, let's publish this. Cool. Let's go back to the dashboard and let's simulate a customer that is actually navigating through. Here we go. This is my first message. I'm onboarding my customers with a welcome message like this. Now, what happens if I reply? As you can see, there is a notification over here. You can enable your notification. We have mobile apps for replying to your customers. As I said before, we assigned the replies to this trigger, to this chat trigger, to the customers team. And as you can see, we redirected to the customers team this conversation. And this conversation is coming from Luca. It's a lead. You have their email. You know where it's coming from. You have all the conversations, all the tags, all the properties. You can customize these properties and you can do much, much more with this. So this is only the live chat, but the live chat is the tip of the iceberg, because now if I want to send a series of emails with customerly to all my new customers, I can do it with workflows. I can add a new workflow and choose everyone. For the sake of this tutorial, we're going to choose everyone, but then you can choose, for example, only people with a certain number of employee, for like, let's say 3, more than 3. Okay, those people will satisfy this filter, so you get only the people with more than 3 employees. Cool. Now that we have the entry point, we need to add our first email message. So you need to drag and drop the email from the right panel to the workflow. And now you need to choose a template. For example, this one. This will bring you to our template builder that is a drag and drop, no code. You need to just put down your copy, and actually it's fairly easy to use also AI. So you put over here like a quick text and we're going to help you out to write the best copy that is working for you. You can customize this. You can add your subject. You can say hi and use their name in the subject like this. And then, of course, in the settings, you can assign the replies to, again, sales or customers again. This is cool. When you save it, you will go back to the edit of the workflow. And whenever you completed your email message, you can then connect the entry point to the email. And as soon as you save it, this will send the first email as soon as they enter in this filter. So you can create any communication based on your customer information, your customer behavior. And this is massive because with a no-code tool like Customerly, you can build marketing automation via chat or via email without any effort. This is so amazing. Of course, I want to mention that if you're here for the customer support capabilities, the tool that we have in terms of customer support is not just the live chat. Something that I strongly suggest you to do is using the Help Center. The App Center is a place where you can redirect to your customers and put over here all the basic information they will need to better use your app on Bubble. And trust me, you want to document as much as you can how your Bubble app is working. So we have this App Center built out of the box for you. You don't need to do anything else. It's built out of customerly, so you don't need to code anything. And it's full of tools and is also included in your live chat. Whenever you're using your live chat, there is this box over here, find an answer, where people can find an answer themselves without leaving your app. So let's figure it out. For example, getting started or account. Okay, one of the most asked question is, of course, how can I recover my password? So recover password. Here we go. These are the App Center articles that you created in the customer App Center, and it's available on your live chat to all your customers without leaving the. And let's say, for example, that someone is opening a conversation with you. That's like this. I want to make it very difficult for our AI to understand this message. We're going to suggest the articles related to the customer inquiry. So this is helping massively your team to reduce the support effort. This is so helpful. This is our AI, and it's working just fine, as you can see. This is what Customer Live Chat can do out of the box for you. But if you need a deeper integration with your data, don't be afraid to reach us out through the chat. We will love to help you out build an amazing customer journey on your Bubble application. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and bye now.